Welcome to the Intelight tutorial 114. In this tutorial, we're going to show how you can program custom alarms in MaxTime. The user alarms are programmed under the controller, and you click controller and you go to alarm configuration, and you will notice they have 20 on the first page and 20 on the second for a total of 48 custom alarms. Now on this, we're going to put our labels in. So the first one I'm going to type is door open. So whenever this alarm's true, the door is open. We wire it to the door switch. We also have alarms that come from the battery backup system. So if the battery backup will monitor the level of the battery, and if the battery's getting weak, it will set an alarm. Or if it's in backup power, it will get an alarm. Another nice one we like to get is the video detection fault alarm. The video detector in fog can't see, so it'll put them all in recall. And it's nice to have those alarms in our logs. We simply hit apply. The next step will be to assign an input pin to each of these alarms. So I'm going to go to Advanced I/O, go to Cabinet Configuration, and go to my inputs, not I/O modules, inputs. And I need to pick 4 input pins. So I'm just going to go here and pick the phase hold input pins. I could go and select any one. It doesn't really matter. Detector rack pins, but I'm going to select the unit alarm for 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these will be on pins 17, 18, 19, and 20. So unit alarm 1 is assigned to input pin 17. The next step will be to trigger the inputs and get. So I simply go to my statuses and select my inputs and output statuses. And we're looking at pins 17, 18, and 20. So I'm going to select 17, hit apply. I'm going to remove 17 and click 19 and hit apply. I'm going to go back and turn 17 on. So I'm randomly selecting these. I'm going to do 20 last, hit apply, and then I'm going to remove them. Now all I have to do is go and see if I got my alarm in the log. So I close down my statuses and I go to administration and I go to my event log and there's my alarms. Now the very first one I put in is down here on 10, which is my door open active, was the first thing I did. At the same time, I cleared it and I triggered my battery backup, which was the third alarm. And then I cleared some, I put some more in, and of course I ended it with the video detection fault alarm, so that is the newest one chronologically at the top. So we were successful. These are the alarms that you can look at, but you can play with this. You can wire these input pins to the proper alarms coming out. They're true 24. Thank you for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you found it enjoyable. It's a very simple application. You just put a text string with an input pin and you wire it in the cabinet and you're good to go. Hope to see you next time. Thanks. Bye.